So Asia asks, what is the ruling on preparing a birthday cake? See, the issue of birthdays is something that we Muslims do not have. And if you look at the time or the history 100 or 150 years ago, you will never find people celebrating their birthdays. This is something that came to us recently, either through the conquest of Muslim world countries, or through people going to the West and adopting their customs and bringing it back to us. So the issue of having a birthday cake with candles, the number of your age, with singing happy birthday to you, dear so-and-so, happy birthday to you, and then blowing the candles in one breath, and then eating from that a cake. This is not from the Muslim tradition, and hence this is imitating the kuffar. It is not a religious celebration, but we are told not to imitate the kuffar, and hence such celebration that comes over and over on a specific date, which is the date of birth, this is called Eid. And the Prophet ﷺ told us that there are only two Eids to be celebrated throughout the year for Muslims, and that is Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. Therefore, you must not participate in any gathering or celebration or even congratulating people by saying happy birthday or giving them gifts on that occasion. Now, if you're the recipient, so it's my birthday today, and someone says, Assalamu alaikum, happy birthday, I would not hang up. I would not curse the person or give him a lecture. I would just say, thank you. If someone comes and gives me a present, I would say thank you. If someone gives me a piece of a cake of his brother's birthday and he brings it over to my office or my house, I will eat it and I say thank you. This is not taking part. There's no problem in that. But to initiate this yourself, this is haram.